Think flipping your steak just once makes you a grill master? Discover why this classic advice could be ruining your chance at steak perfection. Most people are told to let their steak sit undisturbed, but that old rule can leave you with uneven cooking and a crust that's not quite there. Here's the real secret. To get that mouthwatering sear and juicy inside, don't shy away from flipping your steak more often. Flip your steak every 30 to 60 seconds. This technique means heat distributes more evenly, turning out a perfectly cooked steak every time. Frequent flipping helps you avoid overcooking the outside while waiting for the inside to reach that ideal medium rare or your favorite doneness. Each quick flip builds a better crust, locking in flavor and juices. And the best part? You dramatically reduce the chances of burning one side. Not only does this method work for thick cuts, but it also prevents thinner steaks from drying out, giving you steakhouse results at home. So next time you fire up the grill, forget the single flip. Try the rapid flip technique and taste the difference with every juicy, flavorful bite. Now you know what chefs won't tell you. Follow for more cooking secrets and tell me, which one have you been doing wrong?